Good morning. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and safe. Myself Namrata More. Today I am going to teach you chapter number 2 in computer and topic is types of software. So, as we have seen, software plays a vital role in a computer system by creating a bridge between the computer hardware and computer users. Computer software can be considered as the soul of the computer, without which computer cannot work. Software is organized collection of data and instruction given to computers in order to perform a given task. We have seen some components of computer software in figure 1.4 of a chapter 1. These components are a data, instruction and documents about the software, written description of a software function such as the commands. The set of instruction is also called the computer program. Okay, the sets of instruction is also called the computer program. The process of writing or coding programs is called the programming, and individuals who perform this task are called the programmers. Okay, now next, there are two major types of a software: system software and application software. System software manages computer hardware and act as an interface between a computer and hardware and the software developed for a business application. System software provides important functionalities like booting computers properly, managing memory, channeling data from secondary memory to primary memory. Now, translator. Managing printers and other resources. Example of a system software is an operating system. The translator programs mentioned in this chapter are also examples of a system software. Some translators programs transform whole source code written in a programming language, the source language, into another computer language. The target language mainly machine binary language. Binary means 0 and 1s. The transformed translated code is later executed to obtain the desired result. These programs are called the compilers. Okay, some translator programs transform the source code into the target code in a line by line fashion and produce the result simultaneously. These programs are called the interpreters. Since interpreters try to convert the source program line by line, they can concentrate it on a single line. Hence, it is not possible to analyze the source code fully. Further, the interpreters are generally slow in comparison with the compilers. Okay, so यहाँ पे क्या बोला है कि जो interpreters है वो क्या है कंपाइलर के थ्रू क्या है कंपैरिजन में स्लो है. वाई? बिकॉज दे आर ऑब्जर्विंग टोटली सिंगल लाइन, एवरी लाइन. नाउ कंप्यूटर ऑल्सो सपोर्ट अ बिजनेस एप्लीकेशन सच एज प्रिंटिंग रिपोर्ट्स फ्रॉम डेटा स्टोर, कैलकुलेटिंग बिल्स, जनरेटिंग पे स्लिप्स, marking attendance, printing students mark sheets, etc. Special software need to be developed for this type of application. Specific report like we are using for Vidyalaya app. Okay, now we are using this type of app in our school. Okay, difference will have a different types of application. Now we have used for payment, Paytm, PhonePe, Amazon, Google Pay. Okay, such software is known as application software. Application software is a set of computer instructions that provide application specific functionalities to a user. These functionalities may be general purpose such as a word processing that every business need, or may be very narrow such as an organization's payroll program that generates pay slips in companies format on companies pre-printed stationery. Okay, now in Google App Store, okay, Play Store पे बहुत सारी different apps की applications है. Okay, not only for a payment like our dieting about and our different types of game for 2 years kids. Okay, many lots of million types of applications are available on a Google Play Store. So now here relations amongst various components like application software, system software and hardware. Okay, now see popular computers. Okay, so now see which one is that. So far we have discussed that if the computer operates on a binary digit 0 and 1. Even if the instructions are given in any generating programming language, ultimately they are to be represented into sequence of digit 0 and 1s. Hence the computers are also known as a digital computer. Computer is also known as a digital computer. Analog computer. Analog computer use linear communication of a voltage amplitude or current or frequencies or phases instead of digits. Okay, that is why they are called the analog computers. Some computers use mixture of these technologies and hence known as a hybrid computer. मतलब जो कंप्यूटर के पास दोनों frequency है, दोनों capability है, it is called the hybrid computer. Okay, now next is personal or desktop computer. This type of computer we are seeing. Okay, we know about this type of computer. It is called the monitor, CPU, keyboard, and this one is mouse. Now see what they are saying. These computers are the most popular computer system. They are easier to use and more affordable. They are normally used by individuals for their routine business activities. Okay, like figure shown. Small desktop computer is used for regular computing operation from specified place such as an office. Modern desktop are accomplished with a monitor, keyboard and mouse along with a system box. Now laptop computers. Some of them have a computer. Okay, do you know about the laptop? Now see, laptop computers are portable. Portable means you can move anywhere. Okay, portable and lightweight computers with a thin screen. They are also called the notebook computers because of their small size. They can operate on batteries and hence are very popular with the travelers. Like you can see this figure laptop, and this is a one type of ultra book. A laptop computer is actually a personal computer for a mobile use. A laptop has most of the same components as a desktop computer, including a display, a keyboard, a pointing device such as a touch pad. Okay, now touchpad, also known as a trackpad. You can see this one is a touchpad, otherwise you can say trackpad, and or a pointing stick. This one is your pointing stick, and speaker into a single unit. Nowadays, this version of a laptop called the Ultrabook is becoming popular. The Ultrabook size and weights are thinner in a comparison with the typical laptop. Ultrabook computing technology use high power low voltage processors with a long battery life. You can see this figure. And then next share handheld computers. Handheld computers are also known as a personal digital assistant, PDAS. They are small in a comparison with a laptop and can be carried anywhere. They use a pen like a styles and accept handwritten input directly on the screen. The screen is generally a touch screen. They are useful in application like scheduling appointments, storing contacts, address, and playing games. You can see this figure. Okay, now on the page. Next is tablet computer. Tablet computer is a portable and mobile computing tool. It is a mobile computer like a bigger mobile phone with a touch screen facility. It generally uses on-screen virtual keyboard, passive stylus pen on a digital pen. Typically, such tablet computers do not require keyboard. They are now popular categories of tablet PCs. The category are slate tablet PC, and you can see this type of figure. Okay, this category here. Now, the slate tablet is a type of a tablet where keyboard is not attached. However, on demand, the keyboard can be added. A convertible tablet PC is basically a laptop computer with a screen that can swell and fold onto the keyboard to create the tablet. You can see the figure. Now, variable computer. Variable computer means you know about a smartwatch. Okay. See, variable computer is also known as a body-worn computer. These are teeny computer devices that are worn by the wearer. The wearable computers are small and lightweight as they need to be carried on human body. The wearable computers come in form of bracelet, pendant, spectacles, and ring. Wearing such devices enables constant interaction with the computing system. There is less need to run the device on off the further. Such devices are multitasking. You may do other routine job in parallel. Often such device is considered as an extension of a user's mind and or body. Variation of a wearable computer such as a small programmed chip is used for monitoring animal movement. A pre-programmed lightweight microprocessor chip is stapled on an animal's body part like ears. Okay, such a chip monitors movement on an animal in a given region. Thank you.